The Board of Directors of Traditional Republicans for Common Sense has reviewed the qualifications of many candidates for office in the coming election. As a result of that review, we believe Greg Orman is the best qualified candidate for the office of United States Senator from Kansas. Furthermore, we find his views to be very much in line with the goals of Traditional Republicans for Common Sense.
Well, I think voters in Kansas are frustrated. I think they look at what's going on in Washington today and they realize that as a country we're ignoring our problems, that we're not getting things done. And that transcends many issues that they feel are important to them. The issues we're talking about in the campaign are things like higher education and healthcare affordability, both issues that I think have been largely ignored over the course of the last decade. We're talking a lot about immigration reform, and I realize that in some cases that's considered a difficult topic to discuss, but it's a serious issue that we have as a country, and it's an issue that we think that if you're going to demonstrate true public service, you have to be willing to talk about that issue. And another issue that we spend a lot of time talking about is what I call the new American paradox. And in my mind, it's harder than ever for the average American to get ahead, and yet paradoxically easier to do nothing with your life. And so we're talking about how we re-examine the social safety net for able-bodied adults, try to build better pathways back to work for them, and at the same time invest in at-risk kids so that we can break the cycle of poverty once and for all.